Hi, today I'm going to explain about my project, my thesis report. So, the main idea about this thesis project is about the particle swarm optimization and the Kubernetes scheduling containers. So, now I'll be going to discuss my project in brief. So my title is Enhancing Scheduling Strategy in Kubernetes Containers by Using Particle Swarm Optimization. So why I have chosen this topic? In all these innovations of all technical fields coming, the cloud computing has rapidly increased for supporting multiple resources and having high performance. And also, cloud computing provides new business opportunities for both service providers and requesters through delivery model for delivering infrastructure as a service and platform as a service and software as a service. And cloud computing also supports many advanced developments such as big data, mobile computing, and machine learning. So, in all these areas, we can say that task scheduling is considered as one of the difficult challenge in the cloud. Scheduling task means allocating tasks to the suitable virtual machines. And there are some container orchestration tools like Kubernetes, Docker Swarm, which are typically describe the configuration of application. So the main purpose of this container orchestration tool is that you can use these tools in any environment, in whichever containers are supported in any kind of environment. So some of the on-premise services are like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. So for this, I have chosen the algorithm such as particle swarm optimization. We can say that particle swarm optimization is an algorithmic technique for solving like a wide range of optimization problems, and PSO is like the population based stochastic optimization for collective behavior of animals like flocks or birds. And PSO also shares many similarities with some computation techniques such as genetic algorithms. And this paper presents a solution, the PSO for Kubernetes cluster resource allocation and improved performance. So the research problem is, can the particle swarm algorithm have an influence on the performance of container orchestration tools like Kubernetes? So what is Kubernetes and why Kubernetes? The Kubernetes architecture incorporates the concept of a pod, and it is an abstraction which aggregates a whole set of containers with some shared resources at the same host machine. And it also plays a key factor in the overall performance of Kubernetes. And Kubernetes supports two kinds of pods. One is service pods. They run permanently and be a background workload in the cluster. And second one is like two key performance metrics are associated with them, which is like the availability and the utilization of the service. And now high utilization leads to an increased response time. Several Kubernetes system services and high level services are provided by the service pods. And this is the basic layout and the structure of the Kubernetes. How does the worker node works, and uh, how does the pod look like in the whole Kubernetes uh, architecture, and how does the Kubernetes master sends all these things to the kubelet, container, runtime, and network. So the methodology is like, I have chosen a Google Kubernetes engine. So basically, Google Kubernetes engine is a management and orchestration system for Docker container and container clusters that run within Google's public cloud services. And Google Kubernetes Engine is comprised of a group of Google Compute Engine instances which run Kubernetes, and a masternode manages a cluster of Docker containers. And how does this Cloud SIM particle swarm container scheduling process works? So I have chosen another tool such as Cloud SIM. So why Cloud SIM? Cloud SIM is like a new generalized and extensible framework used for simulating, modeling, and experimenting on the cloud computing infrastructure and services. This framework has developed by Rajkumar Bhaiya and the team for the researcher community for simulating the cloud-based infrastructures and application services, and also allows the researchers to test performance of potential cloud application for performance testing in a controlled and easy to set up environment. So implementation on Google Cloud Platform. The to basically to test the application and its response in real time, I have chosen and deployed a sample application on the Kubernetes engine on Google Cloud, and I'm going to implement on the Cloud SIM. So in this normally the actual implementation of the particle swarm optimization in Cloud SIM will be done, um, we'll be looking at the classes and the initialization of particle swarm meters parameters that is used to run the simulation. So evaluating, so in the evaluation section we are doing a comparison between the response time of task scheduled on the cluster between default round robin algorithm. The Kubernetes cluster deployed on Google Cloud Platform was scaled up manually to 3 nodes for testing purposes. And I would also like to conclude that normally particles from optimization as per the simulation results looks promising, and the results are shown the better mechanism and the better scheduling performance when which is the viable option to replace the default algorithm. And this research successfully demonstrates what is the usefulness of particle swarm optimization in case of scheduling related problems, and which can be successfully applied to containers. So now I'm going to show the demo of this whole thesis report project, how does it works and all.